Hey folks, I got a really exciting car to show you today. I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum, and if you go to volocars.com, you'll see this car for sale along with a few hundred others. This one's really special. I'm excited to tell you all about this one, so let's take it for a spin and get started. It's a 1970 Dodge Challenger. Look at the body and paint, it's incredible. They said it was virtually rust-free to start with. Very little repair had to be done. They did it on a rotisserie, so the body was stripped down to a bare shell and it was literally, you could flip it all the way around so they could restore from every angle. But the gaps are right on the money, and this thing is laser straight. I mean, straight. The paint is polished out like glass. All of the trim and moldings are buffed out like glass. All the chrome is new. Has a chrome pop-up gas cap. Really cool set of wheels, a little bigger in back for that muscle look. Obviously it's got the black trim in back, color key bumpers, the right exhaust tips, got a fat 3-inch stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust system underneath, all welded. Super nice job on the exhaust. Go to the website, you'll see pictures underneath. Notice there's no door handles, they filled that in. They open by remote. There's just so much to talk about. The door jambs are spotless. The interior is glove soft leather. First time I reached in here, I wasn't even thinking. I felt it. It's like, oh my God, it's just literally glove soft. Even the door panels are wrapped in leather. The dash is wrapped in leather, all nicely stitched. The custom-made consoles all wrapped in leather. Beautiful carpet. Pistol grip shifter with a carbon handle. Custom gauges, custom pedals, new windshield, it's got tinted glass. This stripe is a dark charcoal gray, it's not black. It's got the chin spoilers underneath. And this here is airbrushed on, and you don't even feel it. It's under the clear. 489 cubic inch. It's a 383 stroker motor. It's putting out about 525 horsepower. We're going to start it in a minute. This also is airbrushed on. Awesome interior, very classy too. The stitching and the form, and it's got suede centers. Very, very high-end, very current, very nice interior. This interior could fit in a modern luxury car. It's that nice. It smells like leather in here. Got a suede overhead console, all custom vents for the air conditioning, custom stereo system. The interior is also all custom upholstered. It's boxed, chrome latches. It's done to match the inside. Really nice in the trunk. Speakers are built in behind the carpet. I'm gonna fire this thing up. It's got a chrome tilt column, a cushion grip wheel. That's nice. That's nice. I love that MagnaFlow exhaust. Kind of gives it a muscle car mixed with a European sports car sound. It has bare brakes, 4-wheel disc with slotted and drilled rotors. It's got vintage air system. It's got all high-end equipment. It's got a real fancy aluminum alternator. Got the current power steering system, aluminum radiator, hydraulic clutch, detailed for show under here. All braided stainless steel lines. Just really, really nice. Everything's high-end. It's got a Tremec 5-speed. Has a Dana 60 rear end in it with 373 gears. There's about 3,500 miles on this car since it was built. It was taken on the Power Tour. So it's a driver. This is a comfortable car. You can get in. You can tear up the streets if you want. You can also go on long hauls. Runs on pump gas. You don't need race gas. I love it when it sounds like popcorn popping. That's nice. And just the way it's so snappy too. nice. I'd love to pull up to a stoplight with this car. See the look on the guy's face next to you when you rev that up. I'm peeking down in the door jambs. It's as polished in the jambs as it is up on top. Even the little latch is cadmium plated. The trim, the stainless, is polished like chrome. All the weather strips are new. I already told you that the jambs are slick, but I mean, they really are. That just shuts so nice. The leather's soft. Obviously, the top is like new. It's got dual electric fans on the radiator. Go to volocars.com. We'll probably have about 100 pictures of it top to bottom and all the specs. I'll be writing the ad for it real soon. But yeah, very impressive car. The wheels don't rub, even though they're big, they don't rub. Got that pistol grip in there. This car is just awesome. I'm talking myself into it here. So you better buy it quick before I do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting videos like this at least once a day. We're getting some awesome cars. We really stepped up our game, getting really cool stuff like this. If you have any questions, call 815-385-3644 or contact sales at volocars.com.